Hi, I'm Ajay Sashi and I say Salam Namaste Hyderabad. I do the morning show in Radio City 91.1. So finally, biggest RJ Hunt in Hyderabad. For the past 2 months, Radio City has been conducting RJ Hunt with the help of Bharati Cement and 5,000 people. It was an overwhelming response. 5,000 people had participated in that and ultimately we had selected 500 from that, shortlisted, and again 100, 50 from that, and finally we had selected 5 in that. And ultimate on today, that is the 3rd of March, evening 5 o'clock in City Centre Mall, Banjara Hills, we have conducted the grand finale with the help of Bharati Cement and Radio City. Together have conducted the grand finale in which 5 participants have participated, and ultimately Harika, she's from Chennai, she's won the contest. And anyways, as the contest goes, may the best win. So she's done her best and she's got the best. So ultimately every year we will make sure that there is something good for the society and something good for the people, because without people we are nothing, and without the listeners we are nothing. So from Radio City 91.1 to Hybis TV, we thank you a lot because your support is always required. Radio City always maintains high standards when it comes to songs, when it comes to talking, when it comes to scripts, and when it comes to what is the content of the show. It's always making sure that the standards are the standard level is very high and it's maintained correctly. See, we don't take up every and any topic which is coming in the society. We make sure that there is pertinent meaning to it whenever we are taking the topic, and we make sure that there is credibility with whatever they are saying it. And the listener has to support, and the listener has to have an open feedback and open view of whatever he's saying. So ultimately, it's the listener who's the king. So that's what Radio City always tries to give to the listener. Participating in this event, I just think every event like this should happen every year, because talent should be encouraged wherever it is and however it is. Ultimately, no reference, no recommendation, nothing whatsoever, no background. Ultimately, talent works in every field. Might be background or reference will work for 1 or 2 months. After that, the audience will be bored. The same applies to even the visual media and the audio as well. So I think talent only counts. I think the best has won. That's what I feel. Bharati Cements, 3 times better than the rest of the cements. I think it's a Mazboot partner. It's a best partner that we have got, and it's been a good jodi for us. Radio City and Bharati Cement rocks. Thank you.